What in the world is up mga kalamon? So let me take you back to what happened yesterday. Ako'y nagpagas at ang laki na ng binaba ng diesel. Naramdaman na rin po yung impact. Dahil kasi nung nagpagas ako ng 1,000, halos doble from the last time nagpagas ako. Yes sir. So pagkatapos nun, ako ay dumiretso ng MOA, park the car and just took the time to take this shot of the sunset eh. Napakaganda. Pumunta din ako dito sa may Conrad at ako ay nag-ikot-ikot. Dumaan ako ng Titan to check out yung Kobe 11 Fade to Black. Yes, sir. What I will always say about the Kobe line is Kobe always did prefer lighter shoes dahil kasi as a footwork person type of player, so talagang crucial yung light shoes. Dumaan naman ako dito sa may Urban Athletics. Meron pa ng tirang bukuan doon at meron ng arcade dito sa Conrad. Interesting. Dumaan din sa NBA store at nagpahinga ng konti dito sa my Founders. Yes, sir. So, kinuha ko yung PP2 combo which is coffee and donut. Yes, sir. Ube latte. It has become a favorite dito sa Founders eh. With one sip to wake you up. And of course, Biscoff. Nagugustuhan ko sa kanya, hindi kasi siya ganong katamis eh. So, pwede mo talaga siyang iterna with ube which is a bit more sweeter. Yes, sir. It's a fun drink. And of course, you deserve this. Solid yun. So pagkatapos no, nag-ikot-ikot lang dito sa MOA. Wala pa naman planong bumili ng kahit ano. Pero it's nice to see what is offered in the market. So pagkatapos noon, bumalik ako sa parking. At for dinner, ako ay pumunta sa Jollibee dahil itatry natin yung Burger Steak Supreme. So, had it for takeout lang. At pagkakuha ng order, dumiretso agad sa taas. Look at that. Yes, sir. So, initial impressions ko, the patty is not like yung ultimate burger steak no kapanahonan na malaki. Pero if you're going to compare taste by taste like what I did right now, nandun pa rin naman eh. It's quite close to before. Yes sir. So pretty much straightforward lang. Rice, egg, burger steak, french fries. Alam mo may mga bagay na kahit na bumalik hindi na sila katulad ng dati. Pero for what it's worth, panalo pa rin. And washed it down with some soda. Solid na dinner yon. Yes sir. Follow for more.